Hi, today I'm going to make Besibela bath the easy way using instant pot. So the ingredients that you need are tur, cooked tur dal, which is all mashed up and cooked and mashed up. You need about half a lime size tamarind. This is tamarind water. You can use either fresh tamarind like I have, or you can also use the tamarind paste, in which case you just need 1 teaspoon of tamarind paste. You also need some vegetables. Today I have beans, carrots, and peas. These are usually the main vegetables for Besibela bath. You also need Besibela bath powder or sambar powder. Either one would work. So today I'm going to use Besibela bath powder, or you can also use MTR Besibela bath powder. You need about uh, maybe 2 teaspoons of the powder. Today I'm going to make about 1.5 cups of with 1.5 cups of rice and then the same amount of dal. You can also put a little bit more dal, it'll still taste good. So what you do is you put 1.5 cups, and then let's put this away. So make some space. Then I put all the vegetables in here. And then I add the tamarind to it. Then I also add, because it's cooked dal, I like to have more dal in this, so I'm going to add two 2 cups of cooked dal. Again, the more dal, the better. It's up to taste, but I think for 1.5 cups of rice, you can easily add 2 cups of cooked dal. Actually, I'm even going to add a little more, just for luck. And then add, again, this is to taste how much, if you like more spicy stuff, you can add a little more. Today I'm just adding about 2 teaspoons, 2.5 teaspoons of the powder. Oh, and then you also need salt. Add about 1.5 teaspoon salt. You can always add salt later. So try to add less in the beginning and then you can always add it later. And then you have to add water. Because the dal is already cooked, you pretty much have to add water for the rice. So that's about 1:1.5 or 2. It's okay for the rice to be a little watery because it will absorb all the water after a while. So it's always okay for the rice to be watery for for the Besibela bath. So mix it really well. Mix it really well. Um, and it will be watery like this. Now put it in here. Close the lid and put it on uh, the sealant setting. That's the pressure cooker setting, and then put it on rice, and that's it. The Besibela bath will be ready in about 12 minutes. You can have it with thuppa. That's the best way to have Besibela bath.